Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate our people who have touched our heart and mind.
Take a moment to appreciate the selfless dedication of our teacher. Wherever you find something extraordinary, you will find a fingerprint of a great teacher. Teaching is the art of assisting discovery. The good teacher can inspire hope, ignite the imagination and instill a love of learning. Just remember, one book, one pen, one child and one teacher can change the world.
Guidance has been my strength.
Best teacher inspires us to see the world differently.
Just like a candle, it consumes itself to light a way for others.
Teachers can change their life with just the right mix of chalks and challenges.
Don't just teach lessons, you teach life.
Just plant seed of knowledge that grow forever. Teacher is the backbone of any country.
You are the reason I developed my passion for learning.